What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm giving you a quick review of Adobe Firefly, what it does well, where it's strong, and whether it's worth using as part of your creative toolkit. Adobe Firefly is Adobe's family of AI tools designed to help you generate images, edit artwork, create designs, and even work with text effects, all with AI-assisted tools built right into an interface that seasoned creatives will feel comfortable with. One of the biggest strengths of Firefly is how well it integrates with Adobe's ecosystem. If you already use Photoshop, Illustrator, or Premiere Pro, Firefly feels like a natural extension of your workflow. You can generate assets, styles, and effects inside the tools you already rely on. For image generation, Firefly handles prompts really well, especially when you want stylized or brand-ready visuals rather than random abstract images. It's very good at following direction for color, composition, and design, which is perfect for creators who want predictable results. Firefly also includes useful features like text-to-image, generative fill, and design generation, which are great for social media graphics, thumbnails, concept art, or even marketing assets without needing deep design skills. Performance is generally strong, and the results look clean and polished. Because it's built by Adobe, it tends to focus on quality and usability rather than pushing experimental or wildly unpredictable visuals. That said, there are some limitations. It's not always as free-form or imaginative as some other AI art tools. Firefly aims for controlled creativity over unrestricted output. That's great for professional projects, but if you want highly surreal or unpredictable art, other tools might give you more flexibility. Another thing to consider is access and cost. Firefly is often tied to Adobe subscriptions or specific plans, so it can be more expensive than standalone AI art tools for some users. Overall, Adobe Firefly is a powerful and polished AI creative tool that's especially valuable if you already work inside Adobe's ecosystem or want dependable, design-ready results. If you're a creator, designer, or marketer, it's definitely worth checking out. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.